Lighting influences our moods, productivity, and overall well-being in our daily lives. From the warm glow of a candle to the stark brightness of industrial lighting, the type of lighting we choose can significantly impact our surroundings. Natural lighting is the purest and most fundamental source of illumination, produced by the sun. It offers various advantages, including increased energy efficiency, enhanced happiness, and decreased eye strain. Daylighting is the practice of lighting indoor rooms with natural light. It minimizes the need for artificial illumination, resulting in energy savings and a more comfortable environment. Artificial lighting, as the name implies, is man-made lighting produced using artificial means. We now have the power to alter the quality, color, and brightness of artificial light thanks to technological breakthroughs. It has become an essential element of our daily lives, allowing us to work in locations with insufficient natural lighting and illuminating our nights. The foundation of any well-lit environment is ambient lighting. It gives a soft, general illumination that sets the tone and creates a welcoming environment. Chandeliers, pendant lights, recessed lighting, and wall sconces are all fantastic ambient lighting options. They evenly distribute light around the space. You can install dimmer switches to alter the intensity of ambient lighting, allowing you to customize the mood for different occasions. Task lighting is your go-to choice when you need to concentrate, read, or work on specific tasks. It provides a concentrated, bright light that minimizes shadows and reduces eye strain. Desk lamps, under-cabinet lighting, and adjustable floor lamps are perfect for task lighting. They can be adjusted to direct light where it's needed most. For task lighting, choose bulbs with a cooler color temperature, above 4000 K, to approximate natural sunshine and enhance attentiveness. Accent lighting is a great way to enhance drama and bring attention to specific locations or items. It's the magic wand that can change an average environment into something remarkable. Track lighting, wall-mounted spotlights, and recessed directional lights are ideal for drawing attention to artwork, architectural details, or prized possessions. Designers can experiment with the angle and placement of accent lights to generate unique shadows and a compelling visual impact. Decorative lighting serves both functional and aesthetic purposes, making it a delightful addition to any home. It's all about infusing your space with style and personality. Pendant lights, chandeliers, and ornate table lamps are popular choices for decorative lighting. They come in a wide array of styles and materials to match your decor. Consider investing in a statement piece that not only illuminates but also serves as a work of art. It can become the centerpiece of the place. Now that you appreciate the four main types of lighting, it's critical to establish the proper balance in your environment. Here are some ideas on how to strike a balance. Layer lighting by combining different types of lighting. In a living room, for example, you can use a chandelier for ambient lighting, a floor lamp near a reading nook for task lighting, and accent lighting to highlight artwork on the walls. Pay attention to the color temperature of your light sources. Warmer tones, around 2700 K, are ideal for ambient and decorative lighting, while cooler tones, around 4000 K, work well for task lighting. Install dimmer switches wherever possible. They allow you to adjust the lighting according to the time of day, the mood you want to create, or the specific task at hand. Consider using energy-saving LED bulbs in your lighting fixtures. They not only save you money on electric bills, but they also last longer, avoiding the hassle of frequent replacements. Lighting is the key to unlocking the potential of your living spaces. Whether you're aiming to create a warm and inviting ambience, boost productivity, highlight your favorite artwork, or add a touch of elegance, there's a type of lighting that can work wonders for you. You can design spaces that are not only beautifully illuminated but also functional and appealing by understanding the intricacies of ambient, task, accent, and decorative lighting. Allow the magic of light to convert your home into a setting that genuinely represents your style and individuality. Your adventure in the realm of lighting has only just begun, and the possibilities are limitless.